Jake, what are we doing today?
I'm trading one of my cars.
What's going on, guys? Today we are trading one of Jake's cars, his RX7 Vert, for a car we're going to show you here in a second. So right now we're going to go outside and do a walk around, just a quick one of Jake's RX7, and then we're going to show you the new car. Alright, so this is Jake's RX7 that he's trading. It's a convertible, which is awesome for this winter weather. And super straight, super clean. Roof leaks a little bit, but here it is. All right, so we just showed you the RX-7. Now there's a new car in that spot.
It's one of these keys.
It's one of these. Well, they can see it now clearly. All right, so here's a quick look around at this thing. It's pretty beat. Front end's got some messed up headlights and drift damage. It definitely hit this trash can as we pulled in. But we're gonna take a look real quick inside to see what's going on in here. And it's a piece of freaking garbage. This thing is literally a trash can, like Jake's cars always end up being. There's like broken glass in here. It's 5-speed, which is tight. And then literally a dirt factory's going on in here. I'm gonna walk around. Oh, I'm gonna walk around the other side. All right, you wanna go drive this thing?
Sure.
All right. All right, first thing we need to address real quick is this seat doesn't move. So that's like one of the worst problems of it already. So it's stuck all the way forward. Jake just killed it. Oh my gosh. Oh, where's the seatbelt? Oh, it's on the bottom? It's like, where's the little catch that's supposed to stop it from going like halfway down? What the heck? Oh, jeez. Yeah, seatbelts are necessary because the airbag's literally gonna kill me if this goes off. Okay, so we're gonna take it out for a quick spin and see how it is. Was this your first welded diff car?
Yes.
As it chugs along. Dang, this guy was really close. All right, Jake, what do you think of it so far?
I think there's a lot of potential with it, honestly. It's a decent enough platform if I can get it cleaned up and get a couple new headlights in it, tail lights, which I actually have a buddy already getting me some tail lights. He has some for me whenever I'm ready.
All right, here we go. That's pretty quick, actually.
Yeah.
Surprisingly quick.
It's not too bad.
Hey, what time is it?
Oh, it's AM.
Dang, you need a AM. What AM? Yo, you need to clean this thing. What, did you have a dog sleeping on the freaking dashboard every night?
Could be, actually.
This thing's so dirty in here. Like, when you go to sell a car, don't you normally like kind of clean it out a little bit?
I didn't.
I mean, what? Sheesh. It's got a sunroof though. Yeah. At least the top don't drop in this one. Oh. Sad panda, the horn doesn't work.
Yeah, this thing needs to get a Nardi.
Dude, you need some gas in this thing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, let's go get some gas.
What was there, like speed bumps up here?
Yep.
The interior's like falling apart in here. I love it. No cash on top?
No cash on top. He's actually bringing me a full set of spare tires to this thing though, which is actually kind of a nice.
Dude, what's the next drift event we're gonna hit in this?
When can I get some time off work?
Dude, there's so much hair. Dude, this guy definitely had a dog or something in here. There's so much hair in here. We are taking our first peek in the glove box.
Oh, a repair manual? That's sick.
The Haynes repair manual, that tells you how often this car was broken. O'Reilly's, there's a good little amount of stuff in here, huh? Oh, you got some LED lights, dude.
Oh, dude, that's for this right here.
Yeah, that thing was like blinking when the light was on earlier. Oh, you got a screwdriver tip.
Sick.
Nice. He wants a bacon double cheeseburger plain.
Oh wow.
Wow, that's lame.
Yeah.
And then two small onion rings, 4 tortas. Dang, where was he going?
Dude, is that like
McDonald's?
like Mexican Burger King?
What McDonald's sells freaking tortas? What else was on here? A 16-ounce Coke. Hope that was the legal Coke. Hey, it's a freaking Post-it note though. There you go. Don't forget. Oh, never forget that double cheeseburger. All right, this is the first time putting gas in it, right? So let's see if the gas door actually opens. You know, 95% of the time the motor's broken in these. What's Zach here? It's a trailer. I know that they did this, but that's kind of tight. I like this little garage door. You pull up on the right side?
I think so.
It's a BMW. I think they're all on the same side.
I think so too.
Never knew that these quarter windows were electric in these. So let's see if I can figure it out. Now that we got this in, let's see if this quarter window works. Look how fancy that is.
There's a lot of tech in this thing.
It like shatters the glass as it gets all the way tightened. Never forget bacon double cheeseburger.
Yep. Yeah, so this is actually the first 3 series that I've owned. I've owned 3 BMWs. This is my 3rd BMW. And I've only owned 7 series actually. I have a very unhealthy relationship with big body sedans.
Dude, every single time he buys a car, it's a 7 Series BMW and it breaks like a week later. All right, so we're gonna do a real in-depth walk around right now, some kind of like automotive archaeology here. First thing first, let's check out the back seat. Oh, he liked to chew beef jerky and break glass. Dude, there's so much broken glass in here. I don't know what that's for. That's for the seat mats. Pen, and it clicks. Here we go, part of the front end. There's a fire extinguisher in here. He bought some
fire extinguisher has any
he bought some marijuana apparently. And there's some trim pieces. And oh no, it's the closed ones. That's lame. Alright. Pop the hood. Oh, you already opened the hood. What's going on in here? Oh hey, the shocks work for now. So it's got coilovers. It's got a big old battery tray of emptiness.
The battery doesn't go there.
What's this?
This is a rear battery.
Yeah, but what goes there?
Nothing.
Whoa, it's perfect for storing stuff.
Maybe that's the ABS module.
When you run out of space inside the car.
Yeah. That's where you put the fire extinguisher.
Ah, this looks pretty bone dry stock in here though. Got some nice drift damage headlights.
The absence of corner light.
It's got spacers on the front to get the tires out nice fitted. All right, let's open up the trunk. Let's see what we get in here. All right, the real test of a BMW purchase. How many of the tools does it have?
Hey,
like some, actually.
That's not bad.
Where's the tow hook though?
I could steal it from my other BMW. Or I could just steal yours, Daniel.
No. And, oh, exactly for a spare tire?
He said he had it at home.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he's bringing me some other stuff still. So he's bringing me, like I said, 4 spare tires for drift spares. Why are you?
I moved the thing.
I watched it, like, that was cool.
That's the Iris, yeah. Yep, battery here in the rear. Interior panels are kind of held in here. No drugs. Good stuff. LED, every single light in here has got an LED swap into it. Yep. All right, that'll fit in. Just kind of shove it in there.
Yeah, that works.
Cool. Well, that looks good. So tomorrow we're gonna give this thing a vacuum real quick, huh? That definitely needs it. All right. Time for the thumbnail. Close the hood up. We're gonna show you how we make our thumbnail here. Again, this needs some. You need some glue for that. All right, get some stancy pose in front of this thing. All right, come on.
Wait.
All right, so we're gonna do a little bit more of an in-depth video on this when we do a cleaning. We kind of just did like a small, simple walk around now. So we're gonna close it out here.
That works.
The central locking?
Yeah.
I would assume
it doesn't work on my that BMW.
Oh, well, that's good. All right, well, you ready to do a burnout?
Yeah.
All right. That's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more content that we have coming on here. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And Jake's about to do a burnout. What did you do?
Maybe that was third.
This guy. That's going in. Puts it in reverse.
Traction control.
Oh my god! This guy has traction control on! Oh my gosh! Alright, third time's the charm! Woo! It sounded so funny at first.